Here is your living and the dining area. So this part of perfect spacious kitchen area for your most spacious room in this house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Radiance Eternity, which is located in Thuraipakkam, Chennai, a project developed by Radiance Realty. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are standing in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office. And now about the land parcel is just on my right hand side over here, where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's do the project overview. So basically this project is spread across 2.2 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 blocks. Each block of 2 basements, tilt plus 10 and 22 floors. Additionally, this project will be having 215 apartments in all with 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like let me show you through this miniature. Here's the cricket pitch, half basketball court, badminton court, outdoor gymnasium, kids play area, and even you'll be having few amenities on the rooftop like this swimming pool with sea view and many more amenities in this project. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR Main Road in Thuraipakkam, Chennai. So basically the project will be having 2 exits. This is the back gate and main gate is from OMR Main Road. Now let me show you the connectivity. So basically this road will connect you on my backhand side to Pirangudi. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect OMR Junction in just 2 minutes from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1976 square feet, super built up area. Now before we move in, let me show you that they are providing you with a video door phone and even here's a digital door lock. Now for your privacy purpose, they have given you the foyer area. Now once you enter from this foyer area, here is your living and the dining area. So this part of the house where you can utilize it as a living area by adding up your own couch and the sofa set. Here's your TV unit space exactly in front of your sofa set. Now this part is your dining area. So you can divide it by adding the partition over here like this. So you can easily fit in your 6-seater of the dining table right here. So you can have a look at the spacious dining area, which has a connecting balcony as well, right here. So here's your connecting balcony, which has anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will give you perfect view of the city. And even for few units, you'll be getting the sea view as well. Now, let's move further towards your kitchen area. So exactly in front of this dining area, they are providing the kitchen area. And here's your perfect spacious kitchen area. Here the enclosed dry balcony makes it more spacious, and one more plus point, they have added up an iron railing with a full French window. So once you open it, it gives you a perfect standing view. Here's the cabinets, the platform, how interior work you can do it. So you can just have a look at it. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So moving towards your bedroom number 1. But before that, this side is your common washroom with the sink place outside. And with anti-skid tiles and toughened glass railing. Here outside with the sink, they have provided the provision for the machine. Now exactly beside this, here's your bedroom number 1. So let's move in to check out the space and this beautiful bedroom with a huge bed size. So you can fit your huge bed over this side. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Exactly in front, here comes your wardrobe set. your TV unit space, and even a work table which you can add up for your own purpose. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 2, so exactly opposite to it is your bedroom number 2. You need to cross your living area. And this is your bedroom number 2. So you can have a look at this bedroom. This bedroom is much more spacious again. Even they have added up a workspace over here. Here's a TV unit space. The wardrobe space is over this side with a huge bed space. And one more thing, let me show you this part. So here's a window where they have even provided the iron railing as well. So basically this iron railing over here, let me show you the iron railing. So it will make you, so this window will convert towards a standing balcony if you open it. So this bedroom has attached washroom itself. So here's the attached washroom for this bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom. Yes, but before moving towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location too, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, along with the payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour of each and every project. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit with Housey.com by registering on www.housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So you have to take a walk towards your dining area and right here. Now before moving in, here's the great entrance for your most spacious room in this house. And you can have a look at this huge bed space over here. And now right here is your window. So basically here also they have provided the iron railing. So once you open your window, it will become a standing balcony. And again, you can enjoy a perfect view of the city. Opposite to it, here's the wardrobe space. The huge wardrobe space. And here's your TV unit space. So basically even here you can add up your dressing area or else your workspace as well. Now, this bedroom has attached washroom. So your master washroom is right here with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And the sink is placed inside the washroom itself. So now you all know we are right here in Thuraipakkam, Chennai. Have you checked out the project in Thuraipakkam? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.